Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our weekly analysis. Sorry for being late. Just been very busy. Right. Let's see start what's happening in the market. And we start with the Forex Factory first of all. So let's start with Forex Factory. What's happening in the calendar. And starting with Monday, we didn't have any news for a lower medium pen. Tuesday, we got a core PPI, very important news, and PPI, they're important news. And Wednesday, the 14th, we have it's core PPI MM and core PPI MM and core CPI YY yearly, that is, and monthlies. Right. That's a high impact news as well. And also on Thursday, the retail sales and unemployment claims, they have impact news. And we are only concerned about USD as we normally trade in gold. And let's go on Friday. Friday we have medium pack news 1:30 and 3 p.m. Building permits, prelim consumer sentiments, and prelim inflation expectations. So that's medium pack news, right? Jumping onto the charts. To the chart and see what's happening here. And monthly, you can see that market is very bullish here. We were expecting a possible down from here because of this candle here, red candle, but market went to the upside and now it's very bullish. Market tested this level as well. See, as you can see in weekly what's happening. Market has tested this level, which is this level here. And last week market tested its low as well here, and now market should jump to the upside. This week should be very bullish, I expect. However, there is a possibility always that if going after going bullish, testing the breaking this level, market can after breaking this level, market always can come back again, break in. But however, overall, it should break this level here, all-time high, 2482, and it should break up to 2500 level as well. So that is the weekly candle. And looking at the daily, see what's happening in daily. As I previously said, the market should be moving within this range here. Within this range, this area here, and that's what the market did. And now, as you know, that this market made a double bottom here. It didn't test this low, however, that's what the market does. It tests sometime it go right to the bottom. However, there was an order block in 4 hour. It tested this level here, supply. This area it has been tested. This demand area, and right now market is moving to the upside because the fundamentally gold is strong as well, and we are expecting that in this situation now. Now, going back to daily, definitely we have this strong level here, as I said, to the upside. And if this doesn't break, or I expect this will break, this is just 1, 2, this is the third time market going to the upside. There's possibility of breaking that. And then in daily, normally market what does, it goes up, take the liquidity, and then come back again. See, we have to follow our risk reward ratio and our trading rules, how in terms of capitalizing it. So when we go into 1 hour, you will see the situation and how market moved and the structure levels and everything. You can see how all these levels in my live stream every day. I have a live stream, so you can watch that live stream. It's 24 hours. apart from weekends, and I have marked all the important levels. So in terms of day trading, that will help you. This is just a weekly analysis and just to give it a rough picture of the market. And if you want to take some long-term trades, you definitely can take in with this analysis. Once the 4 hour was here, some people took probably long-term buy as well. They probably take close some partials here, and then mm, keep adding the positions. It's going to smaller time frame, but they're still running their positions because fundamentally the gold is bullish. So anyway, I leave that it to it that it and that's and I will speak to you very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.